something fun with my Dandelion hydrosol. I'm going to make an herbal Jun because dandelion blossoms taste really, really good. I'm going to try it this way, and then I'm going to try it with just the blossoms. Just making a tea. But we'll try this one first. So we're going to go half hydrosol, half dandelion hydrosol. I'm going to add some green tea. Add the Jun and the scoby, and about a quarter of a cup of sugar in there should do us, and we'll see what we get. How fun is that? This should float to the top, but even if it doesn't, it's fine. I think it's the actives are actually in the liquid and not the scobies, is one school of thought. So I'm not really sure. The thing I do know is you end up with a much fizzier kombucha with the scoby because it doesn't allow all of the to be released as it's produced in the fermentation process. So you get a fizzier kombucha with the scoby. So it definitely has its purpose. Okay, so we're going to dissolve this honey. My honey's slightly crystallized. So how many of you make kombucha or Jun? It's a wonderful source of probiotics. So if you're getting older or if you have digestive issues, it's a wonderful cleansing gut tonic for sure. Now I have hibiscus scobies that I got from the UK, and if the mailbox minute hasn't come yet, it certainly will. I also have positively probiotic scobies in the mail apparently, I hope. I will show you those and do a demo and a review on the quality. I've had trouble with Jun. This Jun scoby tends to produce a lot of yeast and take a really long time. So I'm hoping that with the additional liquid, which is where all of the liquid where all of the actual living probiotics are, microbes, I'll have a better go this round, even with it being a dandelion tea. So I'm going to do a little taste test before we go. So I'm going to pour a little bit of the mixture back into my cups to make sure not making poison tea, because, you know, I did use the greens, and dandelion greens tend to be quite bitter. However, I did gather them in the morning, which according to Martha Stewart makes them a little less bitter, but I do want them for all the potent detoxifying effects that can be gleaned from that, and that's why I'm combining these two herbal supplements to create this kombucha tonic. Let's just see. I'm gonna pour just a wee bit out. And I've reserved some of the plain. So I can top it up. I don't want it to have any loss. And let's see. Let's do the taste test. This is dandelion tea with a little kombucha and honey. Oh, that's amazing. That's going to be glorious. Oh my goodness, the tea is amazing. I'm going to put the leftovers in there. Yum. I can't, but this. Wow. Okay, Martha Stewart's right. You gather those blossoms early in the morning, fresh spring dandelions, and you end up with some amazing hydrosol, and we're going to have an incredible kombucha, I can already tell. With the honey, it just it was like gilding the lily. You know how Jun is the champagne of kombucha? Well, with the dandelion, hydrosol added, oh wow. That's going to be incredible. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Please click like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about kombucha and the different things you can do with it, I don't know everything, but I have been making it for a number of years. So, go ahead and ask. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.